geography for you today. Geography is in it's workbook 22. Okay, so if you look at the word, geo means the earth. There it is, the earth, geo. And graphy just means to study or to write about. So geography is the study of the earth. Okay, now let's look at our earth. Here it is. This is where most of us live. Okay, and you'll notice two things. First of all, it's not straight like this, is it? It's like that. That's what gives us summer and winter. And also the earth is spinning round like this, which is what gives us day and night. But looking at the earth, we can see, look, that we have the blue parts. Mostly is blue, about 70% is blue. And then we have the coloured parts. Now it's difficult to look at this, so let's put it onto a map. A map is flat, and you can see, look, that we have lots and lots of blue. And the blue are called oceans. The blue is salt water. So we have, in the earth, we have 5 big oceans. We have the Pacific Ocean here and here, the Arctic Ocean, the Indian Ocean, near Thailand, Atlantic, and down the bottom here we have the Southern Ocean. So we've got 5 big oceans, salty water. And the oceans are made up of many little smaller oceans that we call seas. Okay? So, like in Thailand we have near the Andaman Sea or the South China Sea. Now the coloured parts where people live, they're called continents. And there are 7 continents. Continent of North America and South America, continent of Europe, where I'm from, England is part of Europe, continent of Africa, continent of Asia, where we all live, Thailand is part of Asia, continent down here which is called Australasia, or Oceania sometimes. Then at the bottom, this continent called Antarctica, which is very cold and icy and has lots of penguins and too cold for people to live. So we have 7 continents, and inside the continents we have our countries. So in the continent of North America we have USA, Canada and Mexico. Continent of South America have Brazil, Argentina, Paraguay. Continent of Europe is UK, Germany, France. Continent of Asia is where we live. Of course, we have Thailand and Philippines and Japan and China. So within the continents there are countries. Countries are only there because of people. No people, no continent, no countries. Okay, and then in countries, of course, we have smaller than countries, we have cities. So the continent of Asia, country Thailand, the city Bangkok or Chonburi or Chiang Mai. Okay, so that's the earth. Right. So the blue bits are the oceans, the coloured bits are the continents, and inside the continents we have countries where people live. So let's look what we're going to do. We're going to go to workbook 22, and what you've got are flags of different countries here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So what you've got to do is read them carefully and colour. So, like number 1, Japan, a country, is in the continent of Asia. Its flag is white, has a red circle in the middle. So this is going to be number 1, Japan, white with a red circle, okay? Then we've got 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8. Now, number 5, we have a little problem because the book has made a little mistake. Because here, look, it says Libya, a country in the continent of Africa, its flag is green. It doesn't have any symbols. But that was the old flag of Libya. What they've got here is the new flag of Libya, which is totally different. So number 5 is actually red at the top, green in the middle, black, and then a white moon there. So what it says here for number 5 is the old flag of Libya. It's now changed, but the book hasn't changed number 5. Okay, but the others are okay. You can read them. You can find the country colour in the flag. Okay, so that's workbook 22.